This tutorial mainly introduces the software interface of Wings Engine. First, we open the software. The software requires login to use. In the login window, we can see there are 3 ways: phone verification code login, phone verification code login, password login, and activation code activation. The first to correspond to the public network version. The third is for the LAN version. The LAN version does not have cloud service related functions, other editing functions, and networks. And the public versions are exactly the same. Here, you can find that thing. Different versions are actually merged together, which makes it more convenient for everyone to use. Let's first introduce the LAN version. The LAN version is mainly used in some internet environments. It uses a license activation method. We need to copy this machine code and provide it to the customer service to obtain the activation code and paste it here. It should be noted that there are 2 situations that will cause the machine code. The first is to install the software into containers or vMIS. Wings Engine LAN version and Wings Engine Visualization version and Wings Engine Viewer cannot be deployed because after deployment in containers, system restart will cause the machine code or project code will change. It requires reactivation or deployment. Another case is reinstalling the system or changing hardware, such as replacing the hard drive, which will also cause changes in the machine code, which will eventually lead to activation failure. Let's take a look at the public version. The public version is suitable for public network environment, which can be logged in directly through the verification code or account password to log in. After successful login, you can use it normally, based on the public version of the network. To introduce the software interface in detail, after successful login, enter the software home page. The upper left corner is the Personal Center, where we can see the current account information, including the account name and package. In the upper right corner, there is a Customization Service button. Clicking it will jump to the official website of Wings Engine. Customization Service page of the official website. The left side is the menu window, including My Projects, Report Portal, Recycle Bin, Resource Center, Private Cloud, Settings Center. Clicking on different menus will open the corresponding pages. Below is the usage tutorial of Wings Engine and the artificial customer service and suggestions. No matter what problem you encounter, you can seek help from the customer service. If you have any suggestions, you are welcome to leave a message in suggestions. The bottom left of the software will display the current version information of the software. The right side defaults to My Projects. The top of the interface will display Wings Engine, some information related to it. We can click the button below to turn pages. Below is a list of all projects. These projects are stored locally. We can click the button above to create a new project. or by creating folders. To classify and manage projects. In the search box in the upper right corner, we can search for projects. Next, let's take a look at the recycling bin. Deleted items will go to the recycle bin. The upper left corner is the empty button, and the upper right corner is the search bar. We can click the item. The restore button in the upper right corner to restore. After deleting it from the recycled bin again, the project cannot be retrieved, so everyone must pay attention. In the reporting portal, we can create. To create by reports, move the mouse to the project. You can find two buttons here. The left button is used to enter the website backend, and the right button is for editing reports. Report items can also be deletion, editing, and other operations. Click the New Portal button to create a new report project. Click Import Portal to open the exported portal project. The Resource Center is for us to provide you with some large screen design materials. There are packaging restrictions on the use of materials. If it is a paid package restriction, then you can only use it within valid period of the package. It will not be available after the package expires. If it's free materials, there is no time limit for use. Currently, the Resource Center mainly contains large screen templates and 3-dimensional scene models. More materials are being updated continuously. Above the Resource Center are some recommended templates. You can click the right button to switch. Below are also some official recommended high-quality templates. Move the mouse to the thumbnail of the template. You can see a preview and download button, and the stars signed in the upper left corner. Click the preview button to view. You can view the preview video of the current large screen template. Click the Download Now button on the right. You can directly download the template for use. Click the star in the upper left corner to collect the template. If you need to search for a certain type of template, we can click on the menu to filter the templates and quickly find the required template by template type, or quickly find the collected and purchased templates. You can also search through the search bar on the right. Private Cloud is our featured function. Here we can turn on the SaaS service with one click and manage the service. After enabling it, the entire software will become a server. We can copy this link and then operate in the browser. For more information about SaaS services, for more detailed information, we will demonstrate in a dedicated tutorial. Finally, there is the Settings Center. Click the avatar in the upper left corner or the left, or the menu to open the Settings Center. Avatars and nicknames are displayed in the upper left corner. Click Modify Password to modify the login password. In the order list, you can to view past consumption records. Private cloud coins and balances are displayed on the right. Click on the immediate renewal below the private cloud. You can buy the professional or exclusive and private cloud seats. The private cloud seat corresponds to the SaaS. The collaborative editing seat after enabling the SaaS service. Coins are mainly used during project deployment. On the basic settings page, we can make some settings for the software. We can modify the terminal identification here. When logging in from a different location, we can identify it by the identification. Which terminal is running the software? Network proxy is mainly used in some that requires the use of a proxy. After clicking to enable, you can make detailed settings. If the software fails to start, the software cannot be started. We can also in the software startup interface. Here we can set the close button. Minimize the software or close it directly. Startups can also be turned on here. We can also turn on or off the delete prompt. Debug code is mainly used by engineers to locate problems. If we encounter some problems and need engineering support, we may also ask you to provide the logs. We can download it here. In the project save directory, we can select the save path of the project. After modification, all local projects will be migrated to the set file path. Here below, we can turn on automatic savings. The project and settings save intervals. Click Clean Cache to clear some cache data generated during the software's use. In the software language selection, we can select Simplified Chinese. Simplified Chinese, Traditional Chinese, English, or Japanese. The bottom is the button to log out of the account. In the Publishing Settings interface, we can set the protocol type. You can also set the publishing port, publish domain name or IP, which is used as the link when sharing the project. The plus button on the right can be used to add different domain names or IPs. Click the check button to check whether the domain name or IP is filled correctly. In the reporting settings, we can modify the port of the report. On the software version page, we can see the current software version information and update the software. The above is the introduction of the visualization software interface. Thank you for watching. See you next time.